Hey guys, this is me, Anthea Isaac. Hope you're all doing great and welcome back to Inspiring Idols. For this week's episode, I will be talking about Kevin Wu and his amazing traits that can actually inspire us in our day-to-day life. As most of us might know, Kevin Wu is one of the artists from second generation who is the former member of UKISS and is currently pursuing his dream as a solo artist, providing us new music and new content every time. Being a fellow K-pop fan, I got to witness few of Kevin Wu's traits that has actually helped me mold myself as a better human. And today I will be sharing 3 key traits from Kevin Wu that can actually inspire us in our day-to-day life. Number 1, consistency. Speaking of consistency is way more easy than putting it into practice. Debuting in 2006 and being part of UKISS in 2008 and again re-debuting in 2018 as a solo artist shows us how Kevin Wu is consistent in pursuing his dream. This actually inspired me a lot because we people always expect rewards and success immediately, and we forget the fact that consistency is actually a key point towards our success. So whatever it may be, work, passion, or whatever that you are doing, put your heart and soul in it and be consistent. Being consistent can actually mold you as a person and can equip you as a better artist and give you lots more talent. So be consistent in whatever you are doing. Number 2, being humble. Being a K-pop writer, I was blessed to interview Kevin Wu in my journey of writer's life. And when I got to interview him, he was so polite and humble. Being a very experienced idol, I never expected something like that. And being a newbie writer, I felt so much pleased and I was feeling home. So always remember to be humble. At the end of the day, we are all human beings, no matter where we come from or whatever we are doing. So we are all human beings and we deserve love and respect. So no matter whatever you do and wherever you go, please stay humble. Being humble is really a quality trait and it can actually keep you peaceful inside as well as outside. And being humble can actually give you way more opportunities than you expect. So always stay humble and be respectful to whomever you meet throughout your life. Number 3 is one of the personal traits I really admire from Kevin Wu. That is moving with faith. Being faithful is really important because whenever we pursue something, there will be ups and downs. And fighting them with faith is one of the key that I really adore from Kevin Wu. Being faithful in yourself as well as in God, because putting God first is actually something nice and it is kind of a priority that I tell myself every day. So whatever you're doing, be faithful and always make sure to credit God for all the success you inherit. And also be faithful in yourself and credit yourself for all the efforts you do. So whatever the obstacle you face in your daily life, move towards them with faith because faith can actually make miracles and wonders. So let us rewind the 3 traits that we got to learn today. Number 1, consistency. Be consistent in whatever you're doing. Don't stop today or tomorrow. It is going to be rewarding in the end, so never hesitate to be consistent. Number 2, being humble. Being humble actually evolves you as a better human. So always stay humble and respect each and every human being you meet in your daily life. Number 3, moving with faith. faith actually plays a major role, whether it's God or on yourself. Be faithful in whatever you do. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. Do comment your suggestions and also mention the K-pop idols you would like me to talk about. Hope the traits I mentioned were actually inspiring and motivating. Do share it with all your K-pop fans and hope they get benefited with the video too. I have also linked my interview with Kevin Wu in the description, so you can click it, check it out, and I have also mentioned all the social media accounts of Kevin Wu and his YouTube channel. You can also check him and follow him through his journey. Make sure to support every idol you get to know, and thank you so much for supporting this new series. It is because of your reviews and your comments I decided to follow the series, and hope we all get benefited with this. Until next week, bye.